Welcome. In this video, we will explore Core Web Vitals, Google's set of metrics that measure how users experience your website. These are crucial for SEO and rankings. Core Web Vitals are page experience signals that focuses on loading speed, interactivity, and visual stability. They show how user-friendly your site feels in real life. There are three main Core Web Vitals. That is LCP, means largest contentful paint, FID, first input delay, CLS, Cumulative Layout Shift. LCP measures loading performance, how long it takes for the largest element like an image or text block to appear on the screen. The goal is under 2.5 seconds. FID measures interactivity, the delay between when a user first clicks or taps and when the site responds. A good FID is less than 100 milliseconds. CLS measures visual stability. If elements like buttons or images shift while loading, it frustrates user. The goal CLS score is less than 0.1. Google uses Core Web Vitals as ranking signals. They directly affect SEO, but more importantly, they improve your user's satisfaction and reduces bounce rates. You can measure Core Web Vitals with tools like Google Search Console, Page Speed Insights, Lighthouse, and Chrome Developer Tools. How to improve scores? Then optimize images and videos, use fast hosting and CDN, minify CSS and JavaScript, avoid layout shifts with defined sizes. Core Web Vitals measure loading speed, interactivity, and stability. Improving them boosts SEO and provides a better experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching. Check your site's Core Web Vitals today and optimize them for better performance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more SEO tips.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.